So after we delete the low performing keywords and we find more negatives to exclude some of the traffic we don't want coming to our website, what we're going to do is improve our ad copy, tweak it so that it has higher click-through rates, which again, higher click-through rates will bring up our campaign performance and bring our cost down. So how we're going to do that is very simple. It's not going to be based on hunches or ideas or extensive split testing like most gurus or specialists usually teach. It's going to be more fact and data driven. So here let's go into build muscle again, and let's look at our top performing keywords. So this is important. We want to improve our ad copy. We want to look at the keywords for clues. We're not just gonna guess, okay? So you can see here that the highest amount of clicks, that's how to build muscle keyword, has 3,048 impressions and 63 clicks, okay? Now, build muscle fast, the keyword with the second highest amount of clicks, has 1,946 impressions and 45 clicks. So the keyword with the highest amount of clicks has over 1,000 more impressions than the one with the second highest amount of clicks. So our highest performing keyword here has the most exposure. It doesn't have the most exposure because here you have build muscle, which has almost 800 impressions more, but it has a lot more exposure than the second highest. Now let's look at our ads. So this is the ad that's currently running. Sorry, I guess. Yeah. This is the ad that's currently running for these keywords. I'm going to use a text file here so that it's big and you can see it easier. Now you can see here in the headline, or the clickable headline, it has build muscle fast. That's not the top performing keyword. That's the second highest performing keyword, build muscle fast. So what's wrong with that really? What's wrong with it is that our ad is not targeted at our highest performing keyword, which is how to build muscle. Instead, it's targeted at our second highest performing keyword and one that doesn't have nearly as much exposure as our first highest performing keyword. That's one of the reasons our click-through rate is a bit low at 1.68%. So what can we do to pretty much instantly improve our click-through rates? Instantly improve our ads performance. What we can do is write an ad that's better targeted at our highest exposure keyword. So here it is. It's called, let me just, how to build muscle fast. Now, what do you think is going to happen when instead of targeting our second highest performing keyword, we target our first highest performing keyword? Of course, our click-through rate is likely to increase. And the great thing about this ad is that it fits a lot of our keywords in, because you see here you have how to build muscle fast. That's our best keyword. Then it has build muscle fast, fits in here too. That's our second highest performing keyword. And it also has build muscle, which is actually our third highest performing keyword. And our fourth is again how to build muscle fast. So we're covering a lot of keywords here that are high performing for us in one ad. Whereas our first ad only focused on one keyword that was the second highest performer. So this is how you improve your click-through rates. Easiest way is to really just look at the keywords, see what's performing, and base your ads on that. It's not about split testing. It's not about, some kind of ideas you may have or hunches you may think might perform. You can try all that, but the most efficient way is to focus on facts. Now, split testing, I like split testing, but the way people teach it is if it's the only way to improve ad, and it really isn't, and it's not the first thing you should be doing, because you have to remember, we have roughly 20 separate ad groups in this campaign. That is 20 different ads. So imagine writing new ad copy for every single one of those ad groups. And imagine you had, I don't know, some of my campaigns have 50, 60 to 100 different ad groups. I cannot split test every single ad. All I can do is analyze the keywords, see what's performing, and base my decisions off of hard data and numbers.